Welcome to the RaceCraft Stadium. Here, we host the greatest racing and crafting show of the century. I'm Clint, and joining me today is Bob.
Oh, quick, RaceCrafter, get in the arena. The fans are waiting.
This is where we put your crafting skills to the test, right, Bob?
Oh, you bet, Clint. Let's start simple. This is your start line. It generates power for your track. Connect track pieces to your start line to generate power. You can see your track's current power on the battery up there.
Whoa! What was that?
That's a supercharged cell, Clint. Building your tracks over supercharged cells generates even more power.
More power, more rewards. Make sure to use them. Another supercharged cell. Let's build towards it. Oh, they're bringing out the ramps. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. When you don't want the grunts, you gotta put in the stunts.
Oh, you got that right. I love this. You know what to do, RaceCrafter. That's it, RaceCrafter. You've got one spark. Should be well done. Let's get you some wheels. My first track? Really? Impressive.
Oh, soon you'll be building legendary tracks. You better believe it. Now, RaceCraft cars are powered by light from the track. You've got to condense it in the engine by tapping your go button.
Pump that pedal, RaceCrafter.
Now, this is cool.
Whoa, that's insane.
You bet.
Final lap. I'm on the edge of my seat.
The crowd is going crazy.
A good test run, RaceCrafter. First place.
Listen well, RaceCrafter. This here is a powered core. Powered cores can create cool items like track pieces and car upgrades. However, to activate them, you'll first need to fill them up with sparks. You get spark for winning races and breaking records, but most importantly, from building high-powered tracks.
We got it, Bob. Let's get on with the show. New record! That's just enough sparks. Claim your power core now. A new track piece.
Love it.
Hey, check out the car lineup for this season, Bob. We're in for a real treat.
We sure are.
A returning champion from last season is Stream. Looking slicker, bluer, and badder than ever. Will this year see another win for Team Stream? Converting light into superior horsepower, the Supercharger is an all-time classic. Also a fan favorite, the grinding wheels are perfectly... seeing this, Bob?
Oh yes, Clint. Lots of Power Core prizes to win this season. Racecrafters are in for a treat. Each car has its own collection to unlock.
I am officially excited. Charge versus Stream. Rev your engines, folks. The race is on. Spot on. Final lap. I'm on the edge of my seat.
The crowd is going crazy.
A spectacular show. First place. New record. Great track. And our sponsor today is Power Core by Spark Industries. Today, we build the future. Claim your Power Core now. A new track piece.
Love it.
The fans grow restless as they wait for the RaceCrafters to enter the arena.